Hello children, let's continue chapter 11 Measures of Mass. Topic Addition, Subtraction and Statement Sums. Addition and subtraction in measures of mass is similar to that of subtraction and addition of ordinary numbers. Let's do this example. Find the sum. 415 kilogram 3 gram plus 7 kilogram 300 gram plus 22 kilogram and 1 gram. Here we have to see which units are given to us, that is kilogram and gram. Make two columns, one is of kilogram and second is of gram. Now put this value here, 415 kilogram. Write 415 in kilograms column, 3 gram in grams column, 7 kilogram in kilograms column, 300 gram in grams column, 22 kilogram in kilograms column, that is 22, 1 gram, that means gram. So write 1 in grams column. Now put the addition sign. Before start addition, I want to clear, here is no number, you can put zeros here so that there will be no confusion. Now let's start to add. 3 plus 1, 4, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 3 plus 0 is 3, 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 4, 1 carryover, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1 carryover is 4, 4 plus 0 is 4. So you have to write the answer here, that is 444 kilogram column, 304 grams column. So write here 304 gram. So next question is, find the difference between 195 kilogram and 115 kilogram 966 gram. So here two units are given to us, that are kilogram and gram. So write this number in under this column, 195 kilogram, write 195 in kilograms column. 115 kilogram, write 115 in kilograms column. 966 gram, write 966 in grams column. Now we have to find the difference. So put subtraction sign, that is minus. Here you can see no number is given to us, so you can put zeros here. Let's do the subtraction from ones place. 0 minus x is not possible, so 0 will borrow and it will become 10, and 5 will become 4, and these zeros will become 9 and 9. 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 6 3, 9 minus 9 0. 4 minus 5 not possible, so 4 will borrow 1 from 9, so it will become 14 and 9 will become 8. 14 minus 5 9, 8 minus 1 7, 1 minus 1 0. So you can see here 79 kilogram 34 gram. It's your answer. So next one is statement sum. Let's read the statement carefully. A child's school bag weighs 5 kilogram 750 gram containing books, notebooks and tiffins. Read it again. A child's school bag weighs 5 kilogram 750 gram containing books, notebooks and tiffins. I hope it's clear. That means a child's school bag is having books, notebooks and tiffins, and weight is 5 kilogram 750 gram. Now read next line. If the weight of books is 3 kilogram 155 gram and that of notebooks is 2 kilogram 125 gram, what is the weight of the tiffin box? They have given the weight of books and notebooks. We have to find the weight of the tiffin box. Let's start to solve. We have to write here weight of books, which is given to us, that is 3 kilogram 155 gram. Weight of notebook is given to us. Write down weight of notebooks, 2 kilogram, 125 gram. Now write down total weight of books and notebooks. Do the addition. Add it. In the rough side you can add it. Kilogram, make 2 columns. One is kilogram, another one is gram. Write the numbers according to the given columns. Now add it. 5 plus 5, 10, 0, 1 carryover. 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1 carryover is 8. 1 plus 1, 2, 3 plus 2, 5. So write here 5 kilogram, 280 gram. Now write down total weight of a bag. Total weight of a bag, that is given to us 5 kilogram, 750 gram. Now we'll write total weight of books and notebooks. Write down total weight of books and notebooks, that is 5 kilogram, 280 gram. Now we'll write here weight of the tiffin box. We have to find what is the weight of the tiffin box. So write here weight of the tiffin box. For this we have to subtract. Use your rough side. Make 2 columns, kilogram and gram. Put this value, that is 5 kilogram, 750 gram. 5 kilogram, 280 gram. Do the subtraction here. 0 minus 0, 0. 15 minus 8 is 7. 6 minus 2 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 0. So you can see here it's only 470 gram. So you will write here, thus weight of the tiffin box is 470 gram. Keep practicing. Thank you so much.